Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. We're good to go. How are you? It's another amazing day. We're going to be analyzing the market. We're going to be talking about the market. We're going to be Yeah, you're welcome. All you need to do is to make sure you share, share, share. Click on the like button as you come on. Fred John said, I'm glad. I'm excited to. I'm excited to. Tell me where you guys are joining from. Where are you joining from? Tell us. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. Tell us where you're joining from. How are you doing? How is your trading going? Eric, good evening, coach. Good day, sir. Hey, Mr. Eric, man of God, how are you? Peteru from Lagos. Fantastic. Good to have you. Where are you from, Fred? Fred is from Cameroon. Wow. Good to have you all the way from Cameroon. Super excited. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. I'm excited having you around. Today's going to be a great time together. Okay. Peter is saying thanks for all you did in Stephen Akintawa University. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah, we just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. That's it. Just keep doing it. Good to have you guys. Make sure you're sharing. You click on the share button. You look good as always. Thank you so much, Pastor Eric. Thank you. Good to have you guys around today. Make sure you click on the like button. Make sure you share the link. Let's help others to see this amazing value that we are giving. Okay? The best you can do for us is to share, share, share. I'm going to share too. Going on my. You just have to share. You have to help other people see it. Ifeanyi and Muka, good to have you. Good to have you around. Okay. Good afternoon. Good morning. Okay. I'm sharing on platforms right now. Share, share, share. Share on YouTube, share on Facebook, share on any available platform where people can learn how this works. I'm excited. We're going to start in less than 2 minutes. I'm sharing on all the platforms right now. Sharing on all the platforms right now. You need to help other people to see it, okay? Share, tag. So we can kick off the session. Okay, 2 more minutes. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Okay, so we've done our part. Anyone that wants to join will definitely join. So how are you doing? You can share. Really excited about this today. And as usual, we check at the major currency. Thank you so much for joining, Chinedu. Let's check at our major currencies and see what we can get for the week. Okay, let's go on GU. So last week I told us about GU. Okay, I told us about GU, that GU was coming up to this zone. And I remember a lot of you were like, um, some people were like, if you can look for a way to buy. But my view is always that if it comes into this zone, that's the only place I can buy, I can sell. I know intradays, some people would have gotten maybe some 20 pips or 30 pips. But since last week, you can see Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday, this is Friday, this is Saturday, and this is Wednesday. So last week, Wednesday, we're talking about this zone. Okay? And I told you guys that if I'm going to be selling, this is the only place I'm going to be selling, to expect the market to come down here. The same way upper week or in the month of May, there was an opportunity to buy here. Okay? So if you're not patient, you would have gone in on this trade severally, like severally. But you would agree with me that if you are not trading on 30 minutes, you would have probably, if you're not trading on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you would have bought here, you would have sold here, you know, you would have bought here, you would have sold here. So there would have been a lot of, up and down. Okay. But I like to also let you know I'm a proper swing trader. As a matter of fact, my swing has gone advanced into position when I hold trade for 2 months, for 3 months, 6 months. Okay, good. So my goal is not to catch all these moves, because I want to hold for a very long time. And because I want to hold for a very long time, I will always want to take my entry from minimum a daily time frame. Okay. uh, I strongly believe that the goal of the only way people are consistent in this forex market is when they trade on higher time frame. They can enter their trade on lower time frame, but they will analyze on higher time frame. Okay, so it's very, very important that we approach the market that way. Another thing I want to share with us that will help you is that you must understand, identify the area you want to reduce on. If you want to be trading on lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes, between 5 minutes and 1 hour, you want to pick just one or two pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD. That's all. That's all. Okay? Because if it has volume, if there is quantity, if the quantity is high, if the quantity is high, if there's high quantity, okay, there will be low quality. I'm sure this will help a lot of people today. And if there is low quality, if there is low quantity, there will be high quality. Okay, so it means if I am trading, low quantity, then I can have so many number of trades, like so many. Okay, so many number of trades. And when I mean so many, you can take like five trades to 10 trades a week. Okay, good. But if you are after, if you have a lot of trades that all pairs, if you are trading all pairs, then you have to lower your number of trades between 5 trades and between 5 and 20 trades in a month, between 5 and 15 trades in a month. That's even much. Between 5 and 10 in a month. So if you want to be trading very well, like trading every day, you don't trade all the pairs, because if you trade all the pairs, there will be so many trades and you will lose so many. Like you will lose so many. But if you really want to succeed, you want to reduce the number of trades because you are after volume right now. So for me, I'm a swing trader, so I trade all pairs, so I reduce all my trades. If this is making sense to you, come on, type in sense right now. If it's making sense, type in making sense. So so that you can have an amazing experience. So it's not just about trading now, it's about what you're doing. Good. So for example, the only intraday pair So this is very important because I've seen a lot of people trying to capture every move, and because they are trying to capture every move, they are missing out a lot of trade. You want to be able to answer the question, do I want to be an intraday trader where I trade few trades, or I want to trade a lot of pairs? Then I'm good. So what type of trader are you? Tell me. What type of trader are you? Volume or less volume? What type of trader are you? So this will help. So having established that, let's check out GBPUSD. I told you guys that we are going to be picking GBPUSD on that note, and we're still going to be waiting for that reversal to happen. If the reversal does not happen, it means that it's not worthy of our money right now. We have to wait, like wait, and wait well. Wait well. So this is still my bias. I need the market to come up into this place. If it comes up here, I will look for a sell in this zone using my 15-minute entry or 30-minute entry for a sell down in here. And if there is no confirmation entry, I'm not going to go in. Okay? I'm not going to go in. Very, very important. I also spoke about Euro USD last week. That's part of the analysis you guys said I should do. Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD came in into that zone and we had an amazing sell. Okay. For those that were on that call, I told you it was going to come into this rally based drop. And inside this rally based drop, I told you guys that there will be an opportunity to sell. It can go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So depending on the one you used, okay, there was an entry here, okay, on Thursday. Thursday was on the 3rd, if I'm right. Okay, Friday. There was an entry here on Friday, okay, and that entry gave us 6 pips stop loss. That gave us about 1 to 18 or something. Yeah, 1 to 17. Okay, so if you are taking this trade, that's amazing, sweet money there. But you have to have gone in on lower time frame. So somebody will say, oh, how did you get that? Because the market, when it came into this place, watch carefully. You had your first, when it came in, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then the market dropped. So when this higher high produced a lower low, this was the entry for the sell and the market dropped. Okay. So that was a 1 to 17. Personally, I didn't enter this trade. Okay. I didn't enter this trade personally. But it was an amazing trade. So right now, what are we expecting? Now, after dropping 1 to 17, is retracing back up. So let's go back to lower time for 1 hour and see if we can get another entry. So since we have a sell bias because of this structure that was destroyed, so that means that we're still expecting the market to come back into this 1 hour zone. So somebody will say, okay, how come? Because you are expecting a what? You've seen a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So in that case, if your entry is on 1 hour framework, so what you will do right now is to go and trade this place on 5 minutes. Okay, this is 2 o'clock. Okay, I have to trade this guy on 5 minutes entry, and on that basis I need to see the market give us something like this. Watch carefully, guys. Watch. Higher low, higher high, higher low, a break of removal of liquidity, come down, then this will be my what? My entry. Okay, so I want to be able to see the market give us some clarity here before I put in my pending order and I go in on a what? On a sell on this basis. So you have to wait for the clarity. Remember, whenever the market comes into the zone, what did I tell you guys you will see? Tell me. Hey, good afternoon, Ahmed Gaba. When the market comes into the zone, what did I tell you guys to look for? When the market comes into a zone, I told you that the market will always go into what we call accumulation. Market needs to go into what is called accumulation. Talk. If it doesn't go into accumulation, there's nothing we can do. We need that accumulation. So right now, so let's go into, so the same thing now, the same thing I told you last week. Always look for the accumulation phase in the zone. So this is the order block right now that created this sell move. So this becomes the zone that we are dealing with. And because this is the zone you're dealing with, I've told you that when the market comes into it, it will definitely struggle. And because this is 4 hours, you go to lower time frame as low as 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Then we want to see the behavior. So right now, the market has entered into it, is already forming reaction, but it's not worthy our investment right now. It's not worthy our investment right now. So I still feel that it will come up into this sell zone. Then we look for the sell opportunity for continuation. Now, if it breaks that zone, which I don't see that happening, okay? If it breaks that zone, that means that it has started a uptrend. But in as much that it broke this change of trend, it means that we are still on a sell mode until it breaks this upper zone. If it doesn't break it, we are good. But if it breaks it, come on, guys. So my bias is still sell on 15 minutes confirmation entry. I need to see it. If that doesn't work, then no need to go in. Okay? If you're making some sense, type in you're learning right now. Type in you're learning, you're learning, you're learning, you're learning. Fantastic. Any question, any chart you guys want us to go through? We've gone through Euro USD, we've gone through GBP USD. And we still have a long sell bias on the two. We strongly feel that it should come down. It should come down. Fantastic. Mr. Ifeanyi says I'm learning. Good. Let's check. Let's check the CHF JPY we've been talking about for a while. Now, the CHF JPY pair had failed to retrace. Why? Because JPY is still very weak across board. Okay? JPY is still very weak across board. So we need to see the reaction. I told you we need to see a reversal. Some of you that had entered without using any confirmation, you must have lost money. but I used to tell you always wait for the market to react before you trade. Okay? When it broke this change of trend, I told you guys to enter sell here. It gave us 700 pips. Okay? So right now it's back into this place. And when it got here, we're expecting the reaction, but nothing happened. Now that it has broken outside it, we have to wait for a future retracement back to this zone, 12900. That's the only place we can buy right now. Then if you want to trade counter trend, you have to wait for a full reversal. You know, I'm not a counter trend. I don't love it. I trade with the trend. So right now, my bias on CHF JPY is to leave it until I see a clear reversal zone activation. But Mr. Noah, since it's going up, can't I enter? What's the basis of your entry? Are you trading breakout? Are you trading support and resistance? Are you trading? You need to see all those conditions before you can buy. But for me, I can't do anything right now until I see a full reversal, which is not clear. It's not clear right now. Okay, yesterday there was an opportunity to buy here on this swing. There was an opportunity to buy there on that swing. Okay, on this 4 hour zone. So there was an opportunity to sell, to buy there. But I didn't see my lower time frame entry confirmation on it. This was my 5 minute entry. So it didn't get there. And because it didn't get there, I know some of you'll be jumping. Okay. You will jump in, but it didn't get there. If you had gotten there, it should have been a trade, but it didn't get there. So I didn't even talk about it in the community. But that was a very, very good buy if you had gotten there. So these are some of the nitty gritties you guys need to wait to let happen if you want to be a swing trader. UJ has been extremely bullish. Euro GBP extremely bullish. CAD JPY extremely bullish. Okay, so we need to see that reversal because the market has been going really, really up. Okay, the second trade that I am looking out for personally is on CAD JPY. Sorry, on USD CAD. Okay, maybe after this session I'll do a proper breakdown on this, but I'll also go through it. Let me check what you guys are saying. What are you guys saying? Is it making sense, please? Is it making sense? Fantastic. 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 So let's check CAD JPY. Personally, that's the only trade that I'm loading in this week, apart from AUD Chef. I've gone in on AUD Chef already in the community we are in already. So let's check USD CAD. So USD CAD, if you check from monthly time frame, simple is simple. I'm looking for a what? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So that's what I'm looking for. And when that happened, I pick this weekly zone as the entry that I'm trading, weekly in monthly, and in it, we also have daily in it. So you can see what I'm saying. So this is where I want to buy. So I've always told you guys, when the impulse was created, don't jump in, wait for the reversal. There's a reversal, you bought, you come out in profit. Right now, this is the impulse now, this is continuation correction. So does that look like a place to buy right now? Yes, but you don't buy immediately. You want to look for a lower time frame confirmation. My team have been like disturbing me for a buy on this trade since, but yeah, I've not seen anything right here. I want to be able to see a cluster, a real accumulation. I'm yet to see it. Okay, I'm yet to see it. So if it is not clear, it is not clear. So how do you know? You want to be able to work with this is the high here, this is the low. So it's creating a new what? A new high. So I'm expecting a what? A new low. When it creates this new low must break this previous high. So I will have this. Then this will become to be like this: drop, high, drop, high. Then I want to see the retracement for me to buy. So I want to be able to see this. If I'm not seeing this, it's not worth my money. It's not worthy my money. So right now, that's the power of patience that I tell you guys about. Okay, I told you guys, when it comes into the zone, look for your accumulation. Okay, when it came in here, there was an accumulation. When it came in here, there was an accumulation. This is the accumulation phase. Hmm? After the accumulation phase, the market took out and came out for a retracement. Okay, we need that accumulation phase. Okay, the market will drop out, then you buy. Okay, always, 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 always accumulation phase. Up, down, down, up, accumulation phase. The market breaks out, you wait for your what? Retracement. You can see this accumulation phase, but it didn't break out. Accumulation phase, it didn't break out. Accumulation phase, then it broke out. Low, high, then your entry, buy, then it shut up. So this is very important if you want to be consistent. If not, you'll just be jumping in on a lot of the trades, and you'll be missing out. So I'm waiting for UCAD this week. We've spoken about GU, GUEU, then UCAD. Okay, three trades potentials we are looking at. Anyone that meets your own requirement or your strategy, make sure you shoot. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I'm really learning. Yeah. Welcome, my brother. Simeon, good to have you on. Any question for me today? Thanks. Any question? Any analysis you want me to check? Yeah, it's going to be, this video will be available on YouTube and on Facebook for you to rewatch. Simeon. Yeah, we are already in HF. You want me to talk about HF? Faith and Simeon, you are in the community now. You know why we entered HF. So you don't need to request that. You don't need to request that on live. Uh-huh. If you don't know why we entered HF, go back to your training videos. Except you did not use your calculator, or except you are not risking what you are meant to risk. If you have risked what you are meant to risk, leave it and go and sleep. It will either hit your stop loss or it will give you profit. Okay? So our bias, GU sell. Any other analysis? Are you in any trades right now? Yes, Daniel. AUD chef sell. AUD chef sell. It was a pending order, has been triggered. Hmm. He is AUD chef. We've been in, we are risking 9 pips. And I think it's because the London session is already going through exhaustion. So it was posted in the live group in the trading community. So we are expecting it has triggered right now. We'll break even on 1 to 3. We'll break even on 1 to 3. And we risk 9 pips. And it's a daily trade. We picked it on daily zone. 8 hours, was it 8 hours? Yes, 8 hours zone. This is it. Rally based drop on 8 hours. Okay. So if we go by that, if it delivers, this will be our full take profit. 1.2. So we're expecting to come out here, and that's about 355 pips. Okay, that'll be my first take profit personally, after taking 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Then we exit anything lower than this place. So that's the way to capture that's the way to capture that's the way to capture long move. And if he hits stop loss, we clean him out and we go to the next one. But if it goes our way, we can buy the next available car that we want. Because by the time he does that, that's about 1 to 39. If you risk $10, that is 390, $390. Okay, good. That's how to trade. If it goes, if it does 1 to 10, that is $100. You are risk $10 to make $100. Abi? Yeah. So that's how it is. It's already triggered on my account. You can see I'm in profit right now. But you have to understand how it works so that you can enjoy it. Are you still in NCHEF? Yes, my brother, Latif Oluwaseun. I'm in NCHEF. I've I've closed about $2,500 there, and I still have about 1,000 there running. So if it goes deeper, I should be banking in like $10,000 from it. But it's going to be a long-term trade. I'm still expecting about 400 pips. I'm still expecting about 400 pips. So, but if it comes and hit my stop loss, I've taken good profit from it. That's how to trade, guys. Be a businessman. You win more than you lose. A lot of you don't want to lose any money. You just want to make money. So that's your challenge. Now, some of you are like that. You don't want to lose any money. You want to make money. Another set of people, you are available to risk money, but you are not following a process. You trade too much. You trade too much. So because your quantity is high, it will affect your quality. Because of your quantity is high, it will affect your quality. But when your quantity is low, your quality will be high. So that is one I've chosen. Which one do you choose? Which one do you prefer? Tell me. Oluwaseun Badmus, which one do you prefer? Daniel P, which one do you prefer? Is it quality, too many trades? So many trades, not too many. So many trades, then less pair, 1 or 2 pairs. Or you can trade all the pairs and you are trading less trade. You must stick to one. You must stick to one. Quality. No, now, is it quality? Okay, I guess maybe you are just joining. Okay, so if you are just joining, what I said earlier is that is the journey between is a battle between quantity and quality. If you are trading high quantity, that is volume, you are trading so many trades in quantity, then you must work on your quality, which means that you will trade less pair, less pair. But if you are trading so many pairs that you can trade any pair, then you must work on less trade. So are you trading so many pairs you must trade less trades. For me, I trade all pairs, so I trade less. My total trade in a week is maximum between 1 and 3. Sometimes I don't have any trade for a week. In a whole month, the goal is 5 trades in a month. That is because I trade so many pairs. Good. So on the other hand, are you trading? Do you want to be trading volume so many times? So that is quality. That's quantity. So if your quantity is high, then you have to reduce your pair and you just stick to 1 or 2 pairs. Good afternoon, Mr. Nonsoa is Dubai. Good to have you here. So Daniel is saying that he needs more patience. Now let me be sincere with you. You can't buy patience. You work on yourself. And the only way to work on yourself in patience is that you increase your filter. Increase your filter. Okay? Papilastic says 1 to 2 a week. Some weeks, no trades. You are repeating what I said. Yeah, that's it. That I don't, because when I was trading quantity, I was trading so many trades. I was still trading all the pairs and I lost a lot of money. So I had to bring in a lot of my checklists. So I now use my checklist to reduce my number of trades, and I'm very, very fine with it now. So I don't need to trade so many trades right now, and I'm very, very fine. So my goal is I pick one trade, I can scale up that trade to give me 100%, 200%, 1000%. Like my NZD chef that gave me $4,000, what I risked in that trade was about $25 or less than $30. That's what I risked. So it's very important that we work on that. Which one do you prefer? You have to balance. Is it few pairs, 2 pairs, 1 or 2 pairs, then you trade often? Or so many pairs, then you trade less? Which one do you prefer? Tell me. You have to pick one. See, in life, the Holy Book says that we have the power of life and death in our tongue. Sorry. Uh, Even our tongue has two, life or death. Good. You must pick one. Don't be too like, I don't want. Sure. So Mabel 21 says, so many trade and trade less. Do you mean up so many pairs, then you trade less? Badmon said many pairs, less trade. Aha. So if you want to do that, you're good. You're good. But you must pick one. I know you want to make money, but you must pick one. One. There is one that will work. There's one that will work. So Albarika Abdul Kadril says so many trades, so many pairs, less trade. So what are you looking at? What's your strategy? What strategy are you using? What strategy are you using? What strategy? Your strategy will determine what you will use, Abdul Kadir. Your strategy, because your strategy, if it's an intraday strategy and it's intraday, then you stick to two pairs. Hey, Samuel Oduma, how you doing? You came late to class today. Late to class. What other pairs have established that? What other pairs? Tell me. Tell me. What other pairs? What other pairs? What other pairs? What other pair you want me to check? We checked. We've checked UCAD. We've checked GU. We've checked EU. I said for EU, I still have a sell bias. For GEU, I think AU and NU still has a lot of room to go up. AU and NU, they have a lot of room to go up. But they are not on my higher time frame zone, so I can't. Fantastic. I've got a different person. Thank you, Ifeanyi. I prefer two pairs at most and trade them more with a disciplined daily target. Fantastic. Thank you, Manuel. Because if you're trading quantity, if you're trading more trades, you have to trade by target. You must have targets. You must have targets. If I'm trading GU is the only trade that I trade on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And I do 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Then I manage my trade manually. That's the only trade I trade on 5 minutes. And 5 minutes, purely 5 minutes. So I like that too. It doesn't have everything does not have to, because we have different style of investing, and yours should not just be like the way everybody will do it. Okay. Okay. I hope I've been able to help you today. I hope I've been able to help you today. Okay. Abdulkadir says I trade supply and demand. Fantastic. That's good. So I think we are good. If there is no question, I think I've been able to help you today. I think the major take home for you guys is to be able to pick. Do I want to trade all the time? If I'm trading all the time, I have to reduce the pair. And I said you trade 1 or 2 pairs. Oh, if I want to trade less number of trades, then I can analyze all pairs. Okay, any one is good. See, stop following. Don't let people be, some people, the way they train, they make you feel that what you are learning is wrong. You understand? Anyone, so far you are making money and it's paying your bills, please don't jump. Don't say, because this man said he's trading this time, I want to trade. No, that one you're learning, that you've known, if it's paying your bills, please stick to it. Don't jump around, just perfect it. Okay, that'll be my closing remark today. Rebecca says, Abdul Karim said, Hero card. What's your bias? Before I check for you. Before I check my own bias. What's your bias? Don't change your bias. I'll just share my view. What's your bias? Are you buying or you're selling? What's your bias? Let me. This is my bias on Hero card, okay? You can see that the market has created a lower high, lower low, lower high, then it dropped. So I have a reaction here, short term. The market went up and broke this structure. So I have a view here. Okay? So this is my view. I will sell here or I will buy here. So right now is in the middle of an ocean. So if I want to trade anything right now, is currently the only thing I can do is because it's coming from sell zone, I will keep selling. I won't buy. It's coming from sell, I'll keep selling. So if I want to go to daily now, no matter how clean the lower time frame is for me to buy, the only thing I'll be doing is I'll keep selling. I'll sell here. If it break that place and doesn't give me confirmation, I'll look for sell here. If it doesn't give me anything around that place, I look for sell here. Okay, I'll keep going up. I'll look for sell here. So I'll look for sell. So these are the places I will sell. So if you buy here right now, it's going to be against the trend. Okay, it's going to be against the trend. And this has given us equal low. So if I can get a lower time frame, I can buy here on short-term basis. I can buy here. So, but this is against the trend, which I don't encourage. The only place to sell right now, the only available opportunity here is to sell. Sell here. Okay. So you can do aggressive sell, aggressive buy. This is aggressive buy. Okay. And whenever you are doing aggressive buy, means that you should lower your risk. Here, I can risk 5% of my account. Here, I will not risk more than 1% because it's against the trend. Does that make sense, Abdulkadir? So my bias is sell, and I'll be looking to sell or sell here. That's my bias. NU is going up. NU is going up. Oh, I missed the 15 minutes entry on NCHEF. I missed the 15 minutes entry on NCHEF. I've been looking for ways to add on to it. This is the entry. So I think AU, NU is going up for a sell. So we'll sell from there and we are good to go. Okay, guys, if you're watching later, make sure you comment, type in your questions. My team and I, we are available to help you. Okay? Very, very much available to help you. Okay? Ask your question. And if you're looking out to join the community, find your way to find your way to the website, owolabi.com/forex. Forex. Okay. So if you're looking at joining our community, it's $100 per month. If you want to join the community, if you want us to mentor you for 3 months, is $1,000. Okay, 3-month mentorship, coaching with Mayowa. Okay, lifetime access to the course in the university. We have a university, 24/7 support, technical analysis, live trading session, like the trade we are currently in today. We are currently in AUD chef. We strongly feel that you should give us 1 to 39, which is not bad, So you'd have taken such trade. A lot of people make their money before they even finish the class. Some people is after they are done with their learning. So go to myowolabi.com/forex. We have several amazing testimonials of people in the community. So if you want to join, make sure you click to order, and you can also reach out to the admin to give you a discount today. We have an in-house discount. You can reach out to the admin. She will give you a discount today, either on WhatsApp or call 49990004. Okay? Reach out to the admin. She'll be waiting for your call. Okay, someone said, I came late today. I'm going to rewatch. Please rewatch. Okay, Clesty says, thank you so much for the consistency. You're truly a blessing to our generation. Thank you so much, Clesty. I'm excited hearing that from you. Okay, that'll be all for today. I'm really pumped up, guys. Same time tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the 5 cryptocurrency assets I'm looking out for to put some of my money in tomorrow. Same time, 2 p.m. You don't want to miss out, okay? If you want to be in the cryptocurrency community, I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. But make sure you bookmark tomorrow, put it on your notification, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. We're going to be working on cryptocurrency, what is happening, where we are expecting the market to go to, then we'll take it up from there. Have a pleasant day. My name remains Mayowa. Feel free, reach out to my team. We're waiting for you to be in the community. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.